Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine, and we're just doing some work today. Elijah's hooking stuff up here. I'll show you what I'm doing right over here with the French thyme. So I'm working on cutting this back, and we're gonna reseed a lot of this. Have some lemon balm back there, doing well. Another row of arugula, and we're gonna start some macaroni. So that's what we're doing today. Don't forget to shop Ophelias Blue Vine and 6 area stores in the Kansas City area. For more info, you can check out our website, opheliasbluevine.com. Don't forget to stop by our store, grab you some merch, and I'm out.